So, like, every time when you like have the conflicts with your parents, like, how do you feel? Like the body and also the feelings, like.
I think sometimes when especially there's conflict, I just feel angry,
Yeah.
and it's hard for me to say why, because it's like my mom just made me dinner. Why am I so angry? Am I angry because I don't want to do the dishes? Like, I feel ungrateful when I even feel angry. So I think that's the biggest feeling I feel, because yeah, I don't feel understood by them.
Yeah, I can totally understand what you mean. Like sometimes I think people will just, like just focus on like what they feel directly.
Yeah.
But I think otherwise we could just think maybe like different direction, like different paths. Like maybe your parents just like want to protect you, or maybe help you to like relieve the life problem, to help you like make the meal and also clean the room for you. But it's not mean that they won't control you, I think.
Yeah, it feels like that sometimes, but you're right. They just love me, and so much of my culture is, parents love their kids, and they show support for their kids. And I think my mom is making the meals not because she wants to give me more work, but because she actually wants to make sure I eat.
Yeah, for sure. Like sometimes I also experienced the same before, because I also came from East Asia, and my parents, they also like love me so much, and it's totally different from like Canadian background. It's totally like different from the Western. Yeah. So I personally think like maybe your parents just need some time to like adapt what happened at this new system. How do you think about that?
You make a good point. I don't know if that will help, but I think you make a good point, because I've been here 2 years.
Yeah.
I know how to do the groceries, I know how to take the public transit, I know how to talk to doctors in English. My mom or my dad doesn't know all of these things. So I think you're right that I've been here longer, so it's a little bit easier for me than them.
Yeah.
But they also are a different generation. So even if they stay a little bit longer, will they change? I don't know.
For sure, like this is really like the problem where it like comes in here, and I think, but you just catch the point. Like maybe like people need some time, and but we could also like maybe move a little bit. Like we could like set a little goal to see if that will help your parents maybe doing the process more like quicker, and just get to know like what they want to, and just cope with each other. So
It's true.
yeah.
What do you think I should do? I don't even know. Do you have any advice for me?
Okay, so just like I should not give you my personal advice, but at this point I'm really related to you, and I think I used to like just tell my friends just like you, and just also I use by myself. I will not just live with my parents. I will just maybe move nearby, and maybe in the same building, maybe, but it's not the same apartments, or maybe like near their house, but not in the same room. And that will really helpful, I think. But I'm not sure if that will fit for everyone.
Thank you for sharing with me a personal example. I think that's a really good one. But right now, I don't have the money to move. But I think one thing I can do is maybe introduce my mom to my friend Farah.
Yeah, that's also really great.
If I introduce her to my friend Farah, maybe my mom will be less scared when I'm out alone, because she knows Farah. Farah is also from Pakistan, so she'll feel more comfortable. I love that idea of moving to a different apartment, and I want to do that. But right now, I have no money.
Yeah, maybe we have some resources, like maybe living on campus, just like you did before. And
that's a good idea.
And I think that would be helpful if you need just, you could go to the student health center, and which is just near our crisis center. Yeah. And you mentioned that just introduce your friends to your parents, and your friends also came from Pakistan. So I think that would be really great. Like your friends will know your parents and know your family, and also your family will know like which kind of like what kind of people you hang out with. So I think they will like oh, they will feel safe and just less worry about you. Yeah. So it's totally like a great goal and a great step.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, I'm excited to try that out and see how it goes. I think my mom will really like my friend. Yeah.
For sure. Yeah. And I'm really supportive. I hope that you could like maybe make this like small steps before next session,
Yeah.
and to see if there is some like maybe just a little bit improvement to
Yeah.
help you to maybe like just not mean solving the whole problem, but maybe just a little bit like feeling better. And every time when you just have conversation with your parents, you could like feel, oh, I think I'm not that angry, just like what I feel before. Yeah.
Yeah, you make a good point. I think it's worth a try, and if it doesn't work, I'll do something else. But I think this is a really good idea.
Yes, we could just, if this not like working out, next session we could just maybe like doing some brainstorming, and maybe we have some other options for sure. Like we don't need to be really in a hurry about this.
Okay.